We'll guide you through how to transfer files from your camera to your computer. You can follow this even if your camera looks different. We're keeping this guide broad. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've been taking some photos and videos and now you want to go and edit them on your computer, or perhaps you want to go and store them on your computer, or perhaps you want to get a backup on there. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go miss an important part of this video. So first of all, just make sure you've got your camera turned off. So go and turn it off like so. Now, I found the easiest way to go and do this, and that's what we're going to guide you through in this video. So what you want to do is go and find where your camera SD card is. So that is where the files, aka the photos and videos, are stored. So on some cameras, it's likely to be on the bottom. You may go and find a door which you can then go and pinch and go and open up, and the SD card may be in there. In this camera, that's just the battery. So on this camera, there's actually a door on the side. It says card and open, and we can slide it back and then open it up. And there we have the SD card, which we can then push and it will spring out. So this is where the photos and videos are going to go and be. Now, a lot of computers are going to have built-in SD card readers. You can go and look on the side. As you can see, there one is. So in this case, it's on the right-hand side. It may be different for you. Now, if your computer doesn't, we're going to go and link down below SD card adapters. So as you can see, it's a normal USB with a SD card reader on the side, allowing you to go and plug it in. But in this case, I've got a reader, so I can plug this straight in. So here is the SD card. We're going to go and slide it in like so. Make sure you do this gently and make sure it's all the way in. And as you can see, we get a pop-up. It says the problem with the drive, but it should be okay. Then what you can do is you can come to the bottom, and if you press File Explorer, you can scroll down the left and go and find this PC, and there is the SD card there. Now, my preferred way of going and getting these onto the computer is to go and open up. If you press search at the bottom as I did there, you want to go and find photos. So you can go and type in photos, and you can then go and click on it like so. This will then go and open up, go and wait, and you want to press import in the top right, and you can then press SD card, wait for this to load, and shortly at the top you can select new, select all, or just go and select the ones you want. And then what you can do is you can go and press the import button in the top right, like so. You could then choose where. I'll put in my pictures, but you could create a folder if you wanted to. Press import and then go and wait for them to go and import. It was then successful and they were put into our pictures. So open your File Explorer, press pictures to the left, and then here they are. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.